Need to export an Instagram follower list without logging in or providing cookies? In this tutorial, I will run a real test, inspect the fields, calculate the actual cost, and export the result to Excel. This is an independent walkthrough of an actor available on Apify. It is not official Apify content. The first link in the description opens the actor directly and is an affiliate link. I may receive a commission from an eligible purchase at no additional cost to you. The tool used here is Instagram Followers and Following Scraper by Scraping Solutions. On the date of this test, its public Apify page displayed a rating of 4.x from 11 reviews, 11,000 total users, and 1.2 thousand monthly users. The listed price started at 60 cents per 1,000 results. These values can change, so always check the official actor page before starting a large run. The actor is designed for public Instagram profiles and does not require an Instagram login or cookies. It can collect either followers or following accounts and return structured fields that are ready for Excel, CSV, JSON, or an API workflow. For the input, enter one public account. I am using Nike for this demonstration. Select followers, set the result limit to 200, and leave the continuation token empty for the first run. Before starting, use a small sample. This confirms that the account is available, the output contains the fields you need, and the cost fits your workflow. For this demonstration, the API request also includes a maximum charge of 50 cents and a maximum of 200 chargeable items. Now start the actor and wait for the run to finish. This execution returned 200 dataset items in 9.1 seconds. The finalized run cost was 17 cents. Your cost can differ because actor pricing, account plans, availability, and the requested result count can change. The dataset includes the requested account, list type, Instagram user ID, username, full name, privacy status, verification status, and profile image URL. I have masked personal identifiers in this video. Public availability does not remove your responsibility to use the data for a legitimate purpose and minimize unnecessary personal information. Before exporting, validate the dataset. In this sample, 98 accounts were private, 102 were public, 1 was verified, 183 included a name, and no duplicate usernames were detected. Also, check malformed IDs and whether the rows are relevant to your intended analysis. To download the result, open the Dataset Export panel. Choose all fields, then select Excel. You can also use CSV for spreadsheets and databases, JSON for applications, or the API for an automated workflow. The result is a normal table. 1 profile per row and 1 field per column. Keep the raw export private, remove columns you do not need, and create an aggregated working copy for analysis or reporting. For larger exports, do not jump directly from a small test to tens of thousands of results. Estimate the cost, run controlled batches, and use the continuation token only with the same account and the same followers or following selection. Continuation tokens can expire. To try the same workflow, open the first link in the description. It takes you directly to the Instagram followers and following scraper on Apify. Start with 100 or 200 results, validate the fields, and then decide whether the actor fits your use case.